Yeah. Still D1. Louder than Don Cannon. Finally finished school. Mixtapes and shoes. Without leaving a clue, then repeat out the blue. And they can't believe their eyes, cause they never thought Bushido Blade be urbanized. Giuliano updating the blog, I'm in the booth, feeling like the son of Sam, just killing them for my dogs who stayed down forever. If I'm winning, they winning. If it's tied, I can count on them niggas and extra innings. Got this slight naughty jacket on the inside, chilling for when it's cool in the studio. Comments on they duty, yo. Lot of people waiting, what's doing now, Ricky Rubio. Truly, yo, we working hard, hoes twerking harder, but that's not what I'm about in my profession. I'm a martyr. On my team, I'm a starter. Smarter than average, even though we feeling classic, we ain't bugging off status. So like that 3 times, and if you rewind, then you'll surely find rhymes that probably shouldn't be discovered in these times. I rhyme by any means, just one of the many things that I'm stuck with, along with God, family, and all the other niggas I fuck with. Excuse that, cause I'm not angry, just enthused that I got a team of homies and we make our own rules just to make our own moves. No street ball, video games, we all real, all feel, all cups to the bloody top with hot shit, hot beats, hot rhymes, drop buckets, drop dimes, like my nigga Juan said. Niggas spitting cheap rhymes, that's gonna be they decline. Ain't no recline, it's grind at all times if you wanna keep shine, nigga.
Formula flow, the style's mathematical. Ill if you're speaking on terms of the grammatical. I'm authentic. Y'all niggas a bunch of characters, and your days are numbered like the months on the calendar. I'm the hottest rapper that I know. Ray Charles on the track, killing the wax with my eyes closed. On a side note, lyrically I'm killing boys, making Illinois than cats out of Chicago. Ahead of my time like tomorrow. Hit me on Twitter, James Spit Flames, homie, follow. I'm a verbal carnivore so sick I vomit more than America's next top models. I turn rappers into casualties, flawless victory with fatality to the fags that challenge me. The facade is what I'm shattering, cause the last time homie had a buzz, he was licking batteries. If you whack, don't speak, it's lunchtime and you won't eat, like skinny chicks counting their calories. Born natural like Mickey and Mallory, writing rhymes trying to add commas to the salary.
Ladies love lyrics, they fornicate to hear it. Yeah, wordsmith magic, put a spell to spirits. King James classic, too close, he'll toast ya. He represent real hip-hop, the culture. Ladies love lyrics, they fornicate to hear it. Wordsmith magic, put a spell to spirits. King James classic, too close, he'll toast ya. He represent real hip-hop, the culture.
Yeah. King James, the imperial, lyrically unequivocal, killing rappers with syllables, ill rhymes, the principle, natural like the minerals, nothing less than original. Homie, your flow is pitiful, artificial like chemicals. Niggas ain't really feeling you. Y'all get a couple minutes of fame and then the industry gonna get rid of you. In the game, but you don't know the score. Thinking you still hot until your shit flop like Soulja Boy. I damage vitals over mic recordings. My live performance will leave the entire audience inside a coffin. And what you rappers claim to be the hottest thing walking the day, tomorrow they fade away like Michael Jordan. I'm on a level so high that if I fell, you can listen to the track 10 times and I would still be falling. Cause what you call competition is straight buck. They straight much, rhyming like they got cerebral palsy. Whack rappers get off me. I excel in all things and son cats like they were my offspring. And it's not a game like truth or dare. You're gonna lose here, but I ain't talking about a nigga balding.
Ladies love lyrics, they fornicate to hear it. Yeah, wordsmith magic, put a spell to spirits. King James classic, too close, he'll toast ya. He represent real hip-hop, the culture. Ladies love lyrics, they fornicate to hear it. Wordsmith magic, put a spell to spirits. King James classic, too close, he'll toast ya. He represent real hip-hop, the culture. Ladies love lyrics to hear it. Yeah, magic, spirits, classic, he'll toast ya. Real, the culture. Love lyrics to hear it. Magic, spirits, classic, he'll toast ya. Represent real, the culture.